want to start with Storm Team 8 and the latest model on the storm that just came in. Lee?
And you know what? It's still a monster storm. It still has winds of 150 miles per hour. This information from the Hurricane Center just came in 2 minutes ago, moving west-northwest at 14 miles per hour, 150 mile per hour winds, and it is still about 500 miles wide. You can see it's heading just north of Cuba over the next couple of days. Look at this very clearly defined eye, an indication that this storm is certainly not weakening very quickly. Let's look at the forecast track. Now, again, this just came in. 150 mile per hour winds now. As it heads northwest, it will stay at 150 mile per hour winds until Saturday evening when it makes that critical turn to the north. And we're talking about 10 or 15 miles one way or the other will make a big difference on who sees the worst effects from Irma here in the Florida area. Now, this is coming on land somewhere between the Keys and Miami Sunday morning around sunrise as a Category 4 storm. Then it does head right up the center of the state, but keep in mind, this could be anywhere from the west coast of Florida to the east coast of Florida, and even more important to remember, the storm is 500 miles wide, but it'll be heading right through places potentially like Polk County, Highlands County, over toward Orange County, heading up through Sumter County, and weakening. But remember, it is weakening from a Category 4 hurricane, so it's still at a Category 1 status as it heads up toward the Gainesville area, and then it finally moves up into Georgia, quickly weakening and certainly leaving us alone here in the Tampa Bay area. The computer models that came in early this morning did continue to push this a little bit farther to the west. And again, just moving it right up the center of the state. Very few of them have moved it over into the Gulf of Mexico, which would possibly lead to any sort of storm surge event for us. But certainly looking like it's going to head right up through the state, looking more and more like a possibility, which is why we now have hurricane watches in effect that extend even farther to the north, including Pinellas, including coastal Hillsborough County, Manatee, Sarasota, Hardy, DeSoto, and Highlands. What a hurricane watch means is that you could see in these purple shaded areas hurricane force winds, at least 74 miles per hour within 48 hours. We also have a threat for storm surge. It is a small threat. It's down here along the Sarasota coastline, and interestingly enough, that is actually going to be once the storm passes and winds start coming off of the Gulf of Mexico. Now we'll check in with Ed.
Yeah, we're looking again at that storm surge potential at this time. You can see it there again along the Sarasota County coastline, and that's when the winds start to come onshore, and they'll stay onshore for quite some time, and that's when we will get into a position where we could see some higher than normal tide levels. And speaking of the winds, I want to show you the latest forecast. This is from Max Defender 8, and you can see as the winds start picking up, this is Saturday at 2 o'clock. It's already a very breezy day, but again, the worst of this is going to come Sunday and into Monday. Watch the wind speeds start to increase. This is Sunday morning, 10 o'clock, already approaching tropical storm force sustained winds here as you head down towards Northport area and then southern Highlands County. Then the winds continue to pick up. There's the circulation of Irma, Tampa, Lakeland, frostproof, tropical storm force sustained winds approaching hurricane force sustained winds down towards Cape Coral. Northern counties, winds will start to pick up as well. This is into Monday morning. The worst of it will start to move off to the north. This model actually moves it north a little bit faster, but still going to be dealing with hurricane force wind gusts even into early Monday morning. And then as the circulation moves away, the winds lighten up, but that wind will likely still be onshore, so there will be a coastal flood threat. Certainly something we're going to watch very, very closely as we go through that time frame. Also the rain. There's been a lot of questions as to how much rain we're going to get. This is likely not going to be a Harvey kind of event, but some areas could certainly pick up decent rainfall. Take a look at this. Near Tampa, now we've upped your rainfall total to around 6 to 9 inches from the coastline to around I-75. East of I-75, 8 to 12 inches of rain with some isolated spots getting a little bit more than that here. So some of those neighborhoods have some poor drainage and areas that tend to flood very easily. We would not be surprised to see some localized flooding out of this. So the bottom line in terms of where we're going to go long term with this, here's the breakdown. The main impacts will be Sunday afternoon going all the way through Monday, and we've extended that to accommodate for the onshore wind for our coastal communities. And in terms of the actual effects that we're going to be talking about from this, we're looking at 65 to 75 mile per hour sustained winds with some higher gusts exceeding that. Total rainfall 6 to 12 inches, again some localized higher amounts, and then also higher than normal tide levels, and that will lead to a threat for some coastal flooding and potentially some weak storm surge there, especially on the Sarasota coastline. So we'll talk a lot more about Irma